Kakanta ka? Lalakasan ka ba to?
Yung naman lang naman.
Wow! May screen tawag doon? Sharing?
I think. Dito nakakita, pero naka-record ka naman, di ba?
Oo. Pati ikaw. Pati yung nakikita ko.
Sige, watch mo na. Gusto mo?
Okay. Play.
Dito lang ako.
Kakanta ka ba? Ay, kakanta siya!
Okay.
Huwag kang magulo.
Ay, Elise, happy birthday.
Ay, taray!
Sa'yo, laging happy ka. Masaya ako kasi ang dami mong projects, ang daming blessings, and alam naman natin, napakasaya ng love life mo. Sana lang maging masaya ka sa lahat ng aspect ng buhay mo. Hopefully, magkita na tayo ni na Ma'am Jo soon. Sana matuloy na yung bakasyon natin. And thank you kasi napakabait nyo ni Makoy sa amin. And hindi kayo nagbabago, napakabait yung mga bata. Enjoy your day. Tapos, magpamigay ka naman ng konting freshness naman. Kagandahan sa amin. Baka lang naman. Sure. Happy birthday, I love you.
Ay, oh.
Hi, Elise! I love you, baby girl. Gusto lang kitang batiin ng happy birthday. And I do hope enjoy mo tong birthday mo. And deserve mo lahat ng happiness and blessings na meron ka because you are a good person and a good daughter. So, ipon muna kayo ng bongga ni Makoy Ski bago magdesisyon kung ano man ang mga next future plans ninyong dalawa. And what else? I wish you happiness, peace of mind, and of course, good health. At sana magkaroon ka na ng oras for me dahil miss na kita. Parang din ako nga sa Australia, girl. Hindi ka nagpapakita sa akin na dito lang naman tayo pareho sa Pilipinas. So please, magpakita ka na sa akin kasi miss na kita. Happy birthday again, Elise. I love you.
Happy birthday, Elise.
Ay, Elise, happy birthday! Wish na kita na rin ako.
Hoy, bakit ba? Isang-is ka na namin.
Wish ka na namin, ingat ka pala.
Wala na kami gawin sa'yo kung sa'yo na lahat. Love, life, and good health na lang.
Baway ka.
See you soon. Happy birthday! Hi, Elise. Happy birthday!
Wow!
Happy birthday, Gia. Enjoy your day. I love you.
Wish ka na namin. Sana pagbalik mo, out of time na tayo.
I love you. Happy birthday.
Bye.
Happy birthday!
Taray!
Sa'yo ay sana palagi ka maging masaya.
God bless and see you soon.
Hi, Elise. Happy birthday. Sadly, we cannot celebrate your birthday together this year, but I know you still have a great birthday. Bawi tayo soon. I wish you good health, more blessings and success in your career, lifelong happiness, and everything your heart desires. Kasi how you deserve it. Always here for you, kahit malayo, just one message away. Hope to see you again soon. Hopefully this year and to celebrate. Miss you and stay safe. God bless. Love you.
Hi, Elise. Happy birthday. Actually, happy quarter century birthday since 25 ka. Lately, hindi na tayo masyadong nakakapag-usap o nakakapag-text. Dahil, syempre, busy. Pero, syempre, di ba, it doesn't mean naman na wala tayong makayon sa isa't isa. Basta I'm just a text or call away 24/7, alam mo yan, at sumukot ako dyan. Lahat ng mga wishes ko ngayon, sana magkakaroon matupad. Basta pray ka lang, di ba lagi mo sinasabi sa'yo, lagi makakalimot sa taas. Sana nga matapos na ito pandemic, di ba? Para magkita-kita naman tayo, para ito rin natin pinakamatagal na hindi tayo nagkita. I miss you, enjoy your day, happy birthday, and I love you.
Hi, Elise. Happy birthday. I wish you the basics, good health, and happiness. And hope that you enjoy your day. I miss you so much. Sana pagkatapos ng lahat ng ito, makapagkita na tayo ulit at matuloy na sa wakas yung sleepover natin or basta yung bonding natin together. I'm happy that you're happy, and I hope to see you soon, Elise. Just know that I'm always here for you. Para sa iyong ikita, nandito lang din kami ni Mama. And I love you. Happy birthday. Hi, Elise. Good morning. Happy birthday. I don't see each other a lot, but I always care for you, and I hope you're doing well. I wish you all the best, and enjoy your day. Happy New Year.
Hello, Elise. Happy birthday. Wish you more peace and happiness this year. Hope to see you soon. Ingat and God bless.
Happy birthday, Cindy!
Ingay.
Kasi ako prepared sa message ko. Text ko na lang sa'yo. So follow na lang yung message ko. For now, tingnan mo muna yung graphics ko. Ganda. Happy birthday, I love you. Happy birthday to me. Let me be cheesy just today. I know we are missing each other, madalas tayo once a year. But it's never changed our friendship. Our closeness, our connection has always been the same. With all the changes that happened in your life and in my life, and we grew up and we matured already, thank God. But our friendship has stayed the same throughout the years, and I'm so happy, and I hope it stays like that forever, because I really do treasure you and our friendship, and you'll always be a best friend to me. Always remember that I'm here for you for any kaartehan, life realizations, drama, heart-to-heart talks are favorite. I'll never get tired of being here for you, helping you, giving you advice, listening, and even making you say when necessary. Yeah. I love you and enjoy your birthday. Bye. And be safe.
Yan. Matapos ko na panoorin yung video. Go. Diba simple lang. Hindi ko naman sabihin ko, kung ano lang talaga yung nasa loob ng puso ko, sabihin ko ngayon. Kaya nakita ko na marami kami nagmamahal sa'yo. Ang birthday mo, so happy ka. Gusto ko lahat ng best para sa'yo. No, I love you so much. I love you. Kaya ko gusto sabihin, pero sa video na to, tira mo na, alam mo na yun. Yan. Tumuling. Ngayon, no posting, no tweet, no showbiz, no surprise na hindi mo magugustuhan. Simpleng gift lang. Happy birthday, sana gusto mo. And I love you, I love you, I love you. Ingat ko siya. Cheers, mami.
Oh, ba't umiiyak ka na? Hindi kita nakikita, pero narinig ko yung mga mic na tumutunog. Ay, crying.
Tapos ka na? Tapos ka na?
Ba't umiiyak ka?
Thank you. Happy ako,
Ganun mo.
promise. Nagtuwa ako, promise. Thank you. Best gift ever.
Talaga ba?